This video shows how to assign a hot spare within UEFI text interface. A hot spare is a standby drive that is automatically incorporated into an array and takes over when one of the drives in that array fails. Press F1 to open the System Setup page. Select System Settings, Storage, and select the desired RAID adapter to open its configuration utility. A RAID 5 array has already been created, so only a hot spare needs to be assigned. Select Array Configuration, Manage Arrays. Select the previously created RAID 5 array, Array A. Click Manage Spare Drives. A dedicated hot spare can be shared by one or more arrays and protects any redundant logical drives in those arrays. An auto-replace hot spare is assigned to a specific array, and after rebuilding a failed logical drive, it becomes a permanent part of that array. The spare type definition here is different from the Broadcom RAID hot spare terminology. Choose the desired hot spare type and assign the selected drive as a hot spare. A message indicates that the spare was added successfully. Click back to Main menu. Navigate to Array Configuration, Manage Arrays, Array A. Confirm that one spare drive is now assigned to the array.